Have you ever wondered what would happen if we collected all the money in the world and then divided it equally among everyone on Earth? Sounds fair, right? Everyone would become rich. No more poverty, no more billionaires. But what if I told you this idea could actually destroy the world economy? Let's break it down. According to global reports, the total wealth on Earth, including cash, stocks, land, property, and businesses, is around $500 trillion. And right now, there are about 8.1 billion people living on this planet. Divide that equally, and each person would receive around $61,728 US. It sounds like paradise, but here's what would really happen. Suddenly, everyone has money. Demand for everything goes through the roof. But there aren't enough goods or services. Prices, they explode. That $1 apple could cost $1,000 tomorrow. Loans, savings, mortgages, all wiped out. Banks would collapse. Why work when you're rich? Doctors, farmers, engineers, they may stop working, and without them, hospitals close, food runs out, power grids go down. But research shows that wealth tends to reconcentrate over time. People with better financial literacy would invest wisely. Others may spend recklessly and lose their wealth. Businesses and entrepreneurs would rebuild wealth faster. Even if we start over equally, wealth would start piling back up. Some people would invest wisely, others would spend recklessly. Inequality would return fast. That is proved by lottery winners. Many people who win large lotteries go bankrupt within a few years due to poor money management and hyperinflation events. For example, in Zimbabwe, Venezuela. When too much money is distributed without production, currency value collapses. And here's another twist. Most wealth isn't even in cash. It's tied up in homes, land, businesses, things you simply can't divide equally or collect. So, while the idea of equal money sounds great, in reality, it would cause global chaos. Temporary wealth for all, followed by collapse. Short-lived celebration, followed by famine, joblessness, and inflation. Is there a better way? Yes. Solutions like universal basic income, progressive taxes, and free education and health care, they don't break the system. So next time you wish for equal money for everyone, remember, it's not just about what we have, it's about how we use it. What do you think? Should wealth be shared equally? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking ideas.